Stop.
Reel.
Reel.
All right, nice. Keep reeling. Slow and steady. Keep reeling. Now look at him getting excited. That's a snapper.
Ooh, that's a good eating, Gabby. You know we don't have somewhere to put this one. Good job, sweetie. Look at that. Do you want to hold him? No? Isn't he pretty?
Yeah.
Look at the eye on him.
Want to touch him? Oh, he's a little bit more rough. No? You don't want to touch him.
Hold him right there for a second. Let me get my de-hooker.
Want to hold it?
No, I want to hold it.
Okay, you got it? We'll put him down. Let him.
See, they can
No,
tell.
he's not
As
dead.
soon as that fish was hooked, they can tell on their little sonar.
Fun! I caught a snapper instead of a catfish.
You've caught 2 types of fish now. Isn't it fun?
6 fish.
6 fish.
2 fish for you, 0 for Dad.
All right, well.